Hey guys, in this video, we're diving deep into the best sous vide racks available right now. Whether you're a sous vide pro or a beginner looking for the perfect setup, we've got you covered. We'll be counting down the top 5 sous vide racks, highlighting their features, performance, and overall value. Links to all the products will be in the description below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the 15-pack Sous Vide Cooking Clips by Diatomite Co. While this product isn't a traditional rack, it offers a clever alternative for those who want to ensure their food bags stay submerged during sous vide cooking. These stainless steel clips are compact yet durable, designed to clamp food bags either to the side of your container or with added weight at the base to prevent floating. The build quality is impressive, with food-grade stainless steel that's not only safe but also resistant to corrosion. The elastic spring mechanism provides a firm grip, making these clips reliable for various sous vide setups, from immersion circulators to DIY cookers. However, the clips require some manual effort to position correctly, and they may not be ideal for larger or bulkier cuts of meat. In terms of performance, these clips work well to keep food submerged, but they lack the organizational benefits of a traditional rack. They're most suitable for small households or occasional sous vide users who prefer a low-cost, versatile solution. While it's not the most comprehensive option, its affordability and simplicity make it a good choice for beginners. Pros: compact, versatile, and affordable. Cons: not a true rack and limited organization for larger meals. Coming in at number 4 is the Garneck Beef Sous Vide Rack with 6 dividers. This compact and space-efficient rack is made from sturdy stainless steel and features 6 dividers to keep your food evenly spaced for optimal water circulation. This ensures consistent cooking results, making it a solid choice for sous vide enthusiasts who value precision. The rack's design is straightforward yet functional. It's lightweight, easy to assemble and disassemble, making it convenient to store when not in use. The stainless steel construction is durable, though it's not as heavy-duty as some higher-end models. But where the Garneck really shines is its versatility. It doubles as a cooling rack, grilling accessory, or even a display holder for beef cuts. While the rack performs well, its compact size limits its use for larger meals or big families. It's best suited for smaller cuts of meat or personal-sized portions. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, multi-purpose option, the Garneck is worth considering. Pros: lightweight, versatile, and easy to use. Cons: limited capacity and not ideal for larger cuts. At number 3, we have the LIPAVI Sous Vide Rack, Model L5. LIPAVI is a trusted name in sous vide accessories, and this rack lives up to the brand's reputation. Made from marine-grade 316L stainless steel, it's built to last and offers excellent resistance to rust and corrosion, even in high-moisture environments. The L5 is designed for small households and fits comfortably into compact pots or the LIPAVI C5 water bath. Its adjustable dividers allow you to customize the spacing for different pouch sizes, ensuring even heat distribution. When not in use, the rack collapses for easy storage, making it a great option for those with limited kitchen space. The only drawback is its smaller size, which might not accommodate large cuts of meat or big batches of food. However, for its durability and performance, the LIPAVI L5 is an excellent choice for sous vide enthusiasts who prioritize quality over quantity. Pros: high-quality stainless steel, collapsible for storage. Cons: limited capacity for large meals. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Large Sous Vide Container Kit by Vaisky. This comprehensive kit is perfect for those who need to cook large portions. With a massive 26-quart capacity, it can handle up to 10 steaks or even a whole brisket, making it ideal for families, parties, or commercial kitchens. The kit includes 2 stainless steel racks with adjustable dividers, ensuring even water circulation and eliminating floating bags. The neoprene insulating sleeve helps retain heat, reducing energy consumption and ensuring consistent cooking temperatures. The tailored lid minimizes water evaporation, so you can set it and forget it, even for long cooks. While the Vaisky kit is undeniably impressive, its large size might be overkill for smaller households. Additionally, its higher price point reflects its premium features. If you're serious about sous vide cooking and often prepare meals in bulk, this kit is hard to beat. Pros: large capacity, excellent heat retention, and comprehensive kit. Cons: bulky and more expensive. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the HOMENOTE Container 12-quart with lid and rack and sleeve. This all-in-one sous vide kit is perfect for beginners and experienced cooks alike. It includes a BPA-free polycarbonate container, a pre-cut lid for popular sous vide devices, a stainless steel rack, and a neoprene sleeve for insulation. The rack's wavy design is adjustable and made from 304 stainless steel, which resists rust and keeps food bags from floating. The neoprene sleeve effectively retains heat, reducing cooking time and energy use. The container itself is lightweight, yet durable, with excellent heat resistance to maintain consistent water temperatures. What sets HOMENOTE apart is its balance of quality, versatility, and affordability. It's a great option for small to medium-sized households and works seamlessly with popular sous vide machines like Innova and Joule. However, it may not be the best choice for those who need to cook in bulk. Pros: complete kit, excellent build quality, and great value. Cons: limited to medium-sized portions. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect sous vide rack for your kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product comparisons. Let me know in the comments which sous vide rack you're excited to try, and I'll see you in the next one.